friends, welcome to Naturally Corporate. My name is Regina and I'm so happy to see you. So I want to do a quick video on some wonderful products that I received several months ago. Actually, it was the end of 2022 and they're by the brand Harinimation. And I have the shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, and also the gel. And I showed the products to you in a beauty haul that I did, but I never came back with an update. So shame on me for taking half a year later to come back with an update for you. What I really like about the parent company of this brand is that any conditioner from the products you can use as a rinse out conditioner or a leave-in, and I've used it both ways. Okay friends, I'm gonna try to get through this because I've recorded it about 5 times. I have a very dry, nagging cough and I keep having to stop. But anyway, let me tell you about the shampoo and conditioner. Before I do that though, I was looking at the products, looking at the label on some of the products, and the brand says they promote healthy hair with healthy and exotic ingredients. Now, I can't dispute that. So we'll go with it. Some of the ingredients I can pronounce and I'm familiar with, but some of them I am not, which is totally fine with me. I don't purchase or not purchase products because of the ingredients list. I know a lot of you do though. You know, really check out the ingredients to see if it's a product you may want to buy. And I just don't do that. I may change in the future, but currently I just buy a product based on, sometimes based on what I've heard, or I just buy it on a whim, and if it works for me, regardless of the ingredients, then I'm okay with it. If it works for me and my hair, I'm okay with it regardless of the ingredients list. But I shampooed and conditioned last Saturday, and it is now Thursday night of the next week. So this is my hair after, what's that, 5 days. I shampooed it and styled it Saturday, and I wore it out for church Sunday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, this is a full week in my hair. And I could not be more excited. This is just my typical flat twist out. My hair and I have an agreement that I know how to do it. It knows how to to show up for me. So this is just my flat twist out. Easy, no fuss, and it has gotten me through this whole week. It's starting to get dry a little bit on the ends, and I'm losing a little bit of definition. The only thing I would have done differently styling my hair is put a few perm rods on the ends. Non-issue. I can put perm rods in next time. But I shampooed and conditioned, and after that, I went in with the deep conditioner mask. Love it, love it, love it. I kept it on for about 30 minutes under my Afro steam cap. Let me tell you how I know that a product is just amazing and incredible. When I take off my little plastic cap, I can't see any of the product. I can't see any of the creamy product. My hair completely absorbed it, soaked it up. And whenever that happens to me, and it does not happen often, but whenever it happens, I know that my hair is moisturized and I should be pretty good to go. I don't have to worry about any dryness or anything like that. So rinsed out the hair mask, and like I told you, I went back in with the conditioner and used it as my styler. It just helped detangle my hair. My fingers just glided through, and it was just like any other, like a styling cream or maybe even a styling milk. I just loved it. No fuss, just an easy to use product. So after I got all of the leave-in in, that's when I applied the very last layer, which is the styling gel. I love this. This is the only product that smells just a little bit different from the rest of them in the collection. It still smells, you can tell it's from the same collection, but it just smells a little bit different. Here's that gel. And I have learned that my hair responds to these kind of gels, kind of loose, not too thick. So this is it. This is what I used to achieve this hairstyle. Just put a little bit of gel right there. And it's gotten me through this week. And I'm going to wear my hair like this tomorrow for work. And I probably won't shampoo again until Saturday. Not probably, but at the earliest, I won't shampoo for another 2 days. I have nothing but great things to say about these products. Again, they were sent to me, but that does not affect my review on them. If they didn't work, I wouldn't have reviewed them and created this video to tell you about them. Or maybe I would have done this video and just spoke about how maybe these weren't for me. But I'm here and I'm talking to you about them. When I love products, I showcase them here on my channel, and I may talk about them over and over again and do tutorial after tutorial. So I've got some more product left. So I will be doing, I think I can do at least one more video from the products I have left. I've been using them. My sons love the shampoo and conditioner and the mask. But yeah, like I said, I hate that it took me so long to review them here on my channel, but they are truly delightful. And my hair is looking thick. And it's not, I know it's just the products or the style, but if you are not familiar with Harinimation and the ZAM collection, check them out. Like I said, you know, if you are that person who really looks at ingredients, check out their Instagram page and, you know, just follow them and do your own research. I would not tell you they're good if they were not good, okay? So that's all I have to share. I did get through the video without coughing, I think. I mean, I speak too soon. But I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, keep it naturally corporate.